Hey, what's up guys? This is Martin from Trade Today, and in today's video I'm going to cover the market, what happened to the market today. It was a nasty day, but I'm going to talk about some very nice relative strength in the penny stock world that I think you guys are going to like. All right, so let's get started. So again, today the market fell 1.35%. Very big day, not on super big volume, which is good. And actually, the Nasdaq went down by 2%, and a decently sized volume. A lot of it had to do with Google earnings. Even though they actually beat expectations, they they literally just got sold off, and a lot of it had to do with I guess their investments and how much money they're investing on certain advertisements and things like that. Sometimes the market, the way it works, even if it's good news, sometimes the market doesn't like it and it just sells off. So, unfortunately, that's what happened. Again, the Nasdaq as a whole fell off. If you look at the FANGs, they literally just kind of sold off, and yeah, so it wasn't pretty for the FANGs. You guys look, Amazon 3%. So I think the whole Google sell-off was more the market selling off, Nasdaq, the tech selling off altogether. Because if you guys can see, it's definitely all across the board. Even Apple went down over 1%. So hopefully that makes sense. So again, when the market is doing things like that, um, that's the reason why small caps, penny stocks are not a bad deal. Look at CHEK, CHEK, up 104%. Very nice opportunity for a day trade. And I'm going to teach you guys, the entry day in terms of what the opportunity was. So yesterday, there was a decent sized volume move with nice volume, and today there was a huge move. So pretty much the setup. Again, this is a day trade. If you guys will look, actually yesterday had a nice consolidation and break and just literally nice trend. Today there was a strong open, so very hard to anticipate that. But what the opportunity was in this midday type of move. Literally consolidated around 850, and it started making lower highs, and it started once it broke out of VWAC, it was just races to the next to the high. So very nice move again, very low floater. So again, when it comes to day trading, it's all about the price action. It's all about volume and price action. So very important. So again, at the end of the day, there was another move. So it's insane how this thing just moved. If you look at the chart, there was another move right here. It literally again it's consolidating around this level, the 1250 area, and it started making lower highs, and once it broke that area, it just kept running. So again, guys, even though penny stocks are not my strength or not my favorite to trade, because of sometimes they're liquid, but when the market is not doing what you like, again, you have to change the strategy. It's all about game theory. It's all about keeping up with the market. What are the opportunities are, and right now this is where the opportunities are. So there's really nothing much to say about it. Again, market down 1.35%, CHEK up 100%. So you can't argue with that. So hopefully you guys learned something from this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to follow up with me. All right, guys, you guys will hear from me soon. How you going?